If you're trying to get from the Boston Logan Airport to Salem by public transportation, then you clicked on the right video. We're going to show you how to do it.
If you have any checked bags, follow all signs for baggage claim and head to the carousels in your terminal. If you don't have any baggage to claim, follow all signs for ground transportation. They are both in the same area. Next, you'll head outside to the ground transportation pickup zones located directly outside of the baggage carousels. You are looking for an airport shuttle, subway/blue line bus. Bus number 22 picks up passengers at terminals A and B. Bus number 33 picks up passengers at terminals C and E. Bus number 55 and bus number 66 picks up passengers at all terminals A, B, C, and E. The subway/blue line buses are blue in color, and your destination is the Subway Blue Line Airport Station, indicated by this T here. If for some reason catching a subway/blue line bus isn't working out for you, you can also take bus number 88 to the economy parking garage. Exit once you arrive at the economy parking garage and walk down and across the street to the Subway Blue Line Airport Station. It is a short 6-minute walk from the economy parking garage. And lastly, if you arrive in Terminal E, you can also walk to the Subway Blue Line Airport Station if you prefer. Once you arrive at the Subway Blue Line Airport Station, head inside to operate a Charlie Card kiosk to purchase a fare for the Silver Line 3 bus. The cost of one fare at the time this video was made in October of 2025 is $2.40. The price for the Silver Line 3 is priced as a subway fare and not a bus fare. Once you have your Charlie Card in hand for the Silver Line 3 bus, head back outside and look for the Silver Line 3 bus pickup area. Do not enter the train platform inside the station past the turnstiles. The Silver Line buses are silver in color, and you are taking one to the Chelsea train station, which is 4 stops from the Subway Blue Line Airport Station, after Eastern Avenue, Box District, and Bellingham Square. Make sure to pay attention to each stop, as the driver may skip stops depending on stop requests. Note, it has been our experience that Charlie Cards for fare on the Silver Line 3 bus are rarely, if ever, verified, but technically you can be fined if a fare evasion monitor with the Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority happens to check for yours and you don't have one.
No more free rides. Starting today, the MBTA will begin fare checks, making sure everyone who rides the T has paid their own way.
Once you get caught by one of them, you're going to get a warning the first time, but your name and contact information will be written down. Then it's a 3-strike policy.
So do with that information what you will. Exit at the Chelsea train station. The easiest way to purchase a fare for your train ride from Chelsea to Salem is through the mobile app M-Ticket. To purchase a ticket, you will select Buy Tickets, select Origin Station as Chelsea, select Destination Station as Salem, and purchase your one-way or round-trip fare from here. The cost for a fare at the time this video was made in October of 2025 is $8 one-way and $16 round-trip. The reason this train route lists 2 stops as the final destination is because this route splits off into a Y, with Newbury and Rockport at the end of each route. But you don't have to worry about any of that because the Y split isn't until after Salem anyway. On the M-Ticket app, you can also find the train schedule to see when the next train for Chelsea is due. Just click Schedules, Commuter Rail, Newbury/Rockport line, and change the direction of your trip to outbound to Newbury or Rockport.
Wait, were you wearing that a second ago?
Once you board your train, you will exit 4 stops from Chelsea after Riverworks, which is a flag stop, so the train may not stop here if it isn't requested, Lynn, and Swampscott. You made it to Salem. Head up the stairs and cross the street. From here you can follow the Salem Heritage Trail into town, which used to be red but has since been repainted yellow or gold. It is a short 4-minute walk to Essex Street from the train station and transit parking garage. So to sum up, from the airport, take a Blue Line bus to the Subway Blue Line Airport Station. Then take the Silver Line 3 bus to the Chelsea train station. Take the train outbound towards Newbury and Rockport and exit at the 4th stop in Salem. Check out our full-length video on Salem in October for more Salem content with some of our best tips and suggestions and a closer look at some cool stuff to do and places to visit. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween.